Here we go, Boracay. So, ayan guys, ayan, we went to Boracay. So, and then I am filming this vlog kasi it's the most special moment with me and of course with my colleagues at work. And of course, we brought our parents with us. So, this is where we celebrate our Christmas party this year with my colleagues at work. So, ayan. So, we went and we started traveling at 1 p.m. kasi so that we can arrive at Boracay na early pa. So, yun. Umalis kami dito mga 1 p.m. sa umaga. And then, yun, we really enjoyed the ride kahit medyo maulan. Pero I like this weather kasi hindi mainit at the same time, guys. Yun, maganda siya tignan. Ayan, so parang chill lang na weather. So ayan, I filmed also some mountains going there kasi napakaganda ng view. At yun, on the way to Boracay, napakarami ng beaches na mga dadaanan ninyo. And yung yung mga daanan from Boracay, meron ng mga white sand na mga beaches. So ayun, may pinick up na lang namin yung isa naming teacher since nasa naman siya, nakatira siya sa Altabas. Ayan, so Kalibo. Ayan, and then also she waited there para daanan namin. So yun guys, so we'll enjoy our Christmas party here. So ayan na siya, we picked her up already. Ayan, and also we bring our parents. So yung isang teacher ko, she brought her mommy. Ayan. So dumating na pala kami sa Caticlan Port, at saka nag-breakfast kami doon kasi nag-arrive kami doon mga 7 a.m. sa umaga. So ayan, yung pinakamalapit at pinaka-attractive dyan is yung Dokito. Ayan, so Andox. Ayan, so ito na pala na umaabang kami ng farm boat. Ayan, papuntang Boracay Port. So this is in Caticlan Port and we're going now in Boracay. So we need to take farm boat of course para makapunta sa island. So yun, medyo nga maalon guys kasi umuulan, tsaka stormy talaga yung yung bakasyon namin na ganito. So ayan, dumating na kami sa Boracay Port. Ayan, so sobrang saya ng mga teachers ko kasi si Teacher Kat kasi ayan, she brought her mother at saka yung kids niya na napaka-cute. Ayan. So ito pala yung unang nakita namin pagdating sa sa port, yung Boracay na na malalaking letter. So ayan, we took a photo there with them. Ayan. And yun, pagkatapos na nag-e-bike kami papunta sa hotel. So bumaba kami sa D-Mall, ayan, kasi dito yung way papunta sa hotel namin. And maganda yung hotel namin kasi beachfront, malapit siya sa beachfront. Ayan, so malapit siya sa beach. So yun guys, ang ganda na pag December pumunta kayo sa Boracay kasi meron available na mga parang sunbathing na things ganun. Yung parang bed sa sand, and hindi na wala naman siyang bayad. It's for free. So ayan, pagdating doon, nilagay na lang namin yung aming gamit, tsaka we played sa sand na lang kasi sobrang ganda doon. Yun nga, nagulat kami kasi sa Caticlan maulan, pero pagdating namin ng Boracay medyo sunny siya. So ayan, nagbihis na lang kami kasi pupunta kami sa aming water activity. So yun, mag-ATV kami. Ano ba yun? ATV, ganun. Yes. Ayan, so tignan mo naman, sobrang saya nila at excited. Ayan, so we're preparing now. We're waiting for others kasi si Teacher Kat, pinick up niya pa yung kanyang mother tsaka yung kids niya. So we're waiting for her. Then pagkatapos niyan, aalis na kami. We'll take a speedboat papunta sa island for water activities. So ayun, yun na guys. So we are going na. We will take the speedboat going there para makapunta kami sa ATV na na reception. So sumakay kami ng speedboat. Ayun. So yung mama ko nga medyo natakot siya, pero sabi ko go lang, enjoy na lang natin. Ayan, so yun, umalis na kami guys, and yun, lumipat si Teacher Kat kasi bawal yung baby sa likod na part ng speedboat, guys. Kasi yung water dyan, sobrang lakas. Yung splash ng water, ang lalakas. So, if you are planning to brought a baby on your way to Boracay or your travel to Boracay, it will be okay if you can stay on the front part of the speedboat, guys. So, ayan. Oh, sorry, Teacher Kat, for my hair. I didn't know. Sobrang haba na pala. So, ayun. So, we went there and we enjoyed the ride, of course. So, yun. Masaya naman sila yung mga co-workers ko, yung mga teachers na kasama ko in my job. So, yun. We are going na to an island. So, as you notice, guys, sobrang ganda ng tubig. At the same time, sobrang ganda dito pag umaga ka pa ng water activities kasi mai-enjoy mo talaga siya. Kasi pag hapon na, so parang limited na yung time, so hindi ka makakapag-enjoy ng mga activities, parang ganun. So, yun, nagustuhan din ni Papa yung travel namin at saka yung aming bonding, ayan. So, yun yung ibang kasama namin and we are going there na. So, yun, medyo malakas ang alon pero kayang-kaya ng speedboat. Tsaka sobrang ganda pala sumakay sa speedboat kapag maalon, guys. Kasi nagiging basta bumpy siya. Ayan. And yun, we really enjoy it. So yun, we arrived already sa island where we are going to have our water activities there. So, ayan. And also, ayan, so we were going to take a van going to the ATV part. So ayun, sumakay kami ng van at eto na nga, dumating na kami, guys. And sobrang ganda ng lugar dito. Parang siya, parang malumpati ganyan. Kasi meron siyang river, cold spring. Sobrang lamig ng tubig dito, guys, sa river na to. So yun, we are preparing na for our first activity. Alright. And yung una pala namin ginawa yan, guys, yung zip line. Ayan. So, sobrang ganda. Kaso medyo bitin sa akin. Kasi gusto ko, matagal. Pero yun lang. Okay din naman siya. So, at first, natakot ako kasi akala ko baka ganun may mangyari sa amin. Kasi, yun nga. Zip line. And before we begin, so, we tested muna yung mga equipments na ginagamit nila. Pero guys, sobrang saya. And sobrang ganda ng zipline dito. So, you can try it also. It's included in the package as well. So, yun, nag-zipline din si Papa. Pero yung mama ko, ayaw niya daw. Okay, so, kasi kinakabahan siya. So, yun na, guys. Pumunta na kami sa ATV area. Ayan. So, yan yung ATV, guys. Yun, if you can drive this one, it will be better na piliin mo yung bagong ATV nila dito, yung just like yung kay Teacher Kat. Kasi bago yan, at the same time, hindi mahirap drive-an yung mag-drive ka. Kasi yung sa akin, parang ang bigat drive-an kasi siya, yun, parang luma na, tsaka matitigas yung ano ba tawag doon? Yung parang bakal na part. So, yun, guys, if you are planning to have your ATV here, much better, you have to pick the new ATV para mas ma-enjoy nyo. And ayan, guys, so sobrang na-enjoy namin kasi kahit umuulan siya, we really like it naman kesa sa mainit na weather. Kasi pag marami siyang paddles, ayan, so mas mai-enjoy mo yung KTV pag maraming paddle. So, yan. So, they had a good time as well. Nag-enjoy naman yung lahat, especially kaming mga teachers. So, we had a really great time. So, thank you very much for LE team sa pag-sponsor na aming Christmas party in Boracay. So, we really appreciate it very much. So, ayan. And we enjoy it a lot, guys. And sobrang ganda. So, we also had our next activity. It's the monkey jump, guys. So yun, you were going to take just like that a zip line and then you can jump all the way on the river. So ayan pala, nasa 10 to 9 feet yung water dyan sa malalim na part ng river. So at saka hindi siya nakakatakot kasi pag bumagsak ka, you have to you have to swim siguro ng mga 1 meter at then mababa na yung level ng tubig. So, yun lang guys, we had a good time. So, especially yung mga parents namin, they enjoy it, yung vacation namin. So, ayan, thank you so much also for all the teachers na nag-participate for this Christmas party. And for those mga teacher na hindi pa nakapag-participate, of course, we are hoping na next time makapunta kayo sa ating Christmas party. So, ayan na, sobrang lamig ng tubig dito guys. Ayan. So, since hindi ako marunong lumangoy, I wear a life vest na lang. Kasi to make sure na ganun, safe tayo. So, better safe than never, right, guys? Okay, so ayan, may pa-slide pa. So, maraming activities, guys. So, I'm sure you'll enjoy it. So, you should try that also. And then, after that, we also tried the kawa. They called it kawa, guys, because you are in the kawa and then they are putting like fires beneath it or under it and they will make a video of you. Ayan, sobrang ganda kasi magaling silang mag-take ng mga videos. So, you can just give them tip like 50 pesos or if you want it, marami kang pera, you can give them 500 to 1,000 if you want to. And of course, pinapakita nila yung video sa'yo. So, if you don't like it, pwede ka rin mag-take ng another pang video. So, ayan, pero sulit talaga yung yung pagkaka-video nila kasi sobrang ganda. And ayan, they have also some flowers there, pero yung flowers na yan hindi natural kasi siya, fake siya, plastic siya, kaya ang ganda-ganda ng kulay. Pero sobrang ganda, ang ganda dito guys. So, we had a good time and na-enjoy namin yung aming vacation. So, ayun, umuwi na kami sa hotel namin at nag-BS kami. I'm sorry, hindi ko na video yung uwi kami. Pero ayan guys, magabi na and then we are starting to look for for dinner reception. So, pumunta kami from station 1 to station 3. Ayan, kasi sa station 3 meron daw dong fire dancing. So, you can just order some foods there and then wait for the fire dancing performance. So, yon, pumunta kami sa station 3 na maulan pa yung time na yon. At saka, sobrang basa namin. Kaya we missed the first fire dance sa Beehive. So, they call it Beehive kasi dun yung mga fire dancing. Dun. And also, yun nga guys, so pumunta kami sa isang reception pa where we can watch the fire dancing for dinner. And yun, we found it. And ayan, so yung parents ko pala, okay, basang-basa sila sa ulan when we were on our way to the dinner. But then ayun, sinundo ko sila ulit kasi nagpalit sila ng damit. And then we're here sa aming dinner reception. So, ayan, nag-order lang kami dito ng parang bilao, guys, ng seafood. At sobrang affordable niya, guys. So, ang dami pa. At especially masasarap yung mga ulam nila. So, mai-enjoy mo yung food at the same time, meron ka pang fire dancing performance. Yung fire dance sila na nag-stay or they can perform for maybe 10 minutes to 20 minutes. I forgot. Pero matagal siya guys. Hindi ka mabibitin. So, ayan na yung mga performers. Naghahanda na sila for their performance. And sobrang ganda. We enjoyed it. Ayun. So, marami silang mga pakulo for their fire dancing. So, we are waiting for our food. At ayun, while waiting for the food na maluto, ayan, so we are watching the fire dance muna. So, perfect siya kasi hindi pa kami kumakain. At nanonood kami. So, makafocus talaga kami. So, at ma-enjoy namin yung fire dance performance. So, yun guys. We are waiting for the food. Ayan. And, sobrang ganda ng mga performance nila. Especially siya. Kasi, maganda siya. Tsaka, parang siya yung pinaka-spotlight ng performance. So, marami siyang pa-surprise sa mga customer. Ayan. At, eto na, dumating na yung aming food. So, sila din yung magsiserve sa inyo guys. Ayan, so, marami na. And, sulit naman kasi marami kang pipilian. Meron ng rice tsaka drinks. So, yung gawin mo na lang dyan, umupo ka na lang, mag-watch ka ng fire dance and kumain. So, yan na. Yung, ayun, nag-video pa siya. And doon, so, sumayaw siya sa father ko. So, sobrang tuwa naman ako kasi nananakot siya ng mga, mga customer tsaka viewers. So, ayan, tinakot niya yung mama ko. Kasi natakot naman yung mama ko kasi baka daw mapaso siya ng fire. So yun guys, we had a good time here and sobrang ganda ng performance nila. Na-enjoy talaga namin yung aming stay dito sa Boracay. And sobrang saya namin lahat. So kahit napagod kasi maaga pa kami umalis from Iloilo to Katiklan and to Boracay, but we had a good time. Thank you very much, teachers, to all the teachers, and for the LA team. We really appreciate this Christmas party, and we had a good time. So yun lang guys. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.